Hi everybody, this is Marc Webel with Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV here in Belton, Missouri. Today we got a great opportunity. We're looking at a brand new 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369. This is Newmar's top selling coach, their flagship coach, you might say. It's the just under 44 feet long. It's a bath and a half, opposing seating up front, bath and a half with double vanity in the back. We'll walk you around it. It's got the Newmar full wall slide here on the HWH full wall slide with the Moore floor. No carpet throughout this whole coach. This one's kind of unique. It's got theater seats across from your couch, and then you've got your table and chairs dinette. This table and chairs is not the big buffet one. Doesn't quite have as much storage, but when you're closed up and you're going down the road, you know, you don't have quite as big of a footprint, so it actually gives you a little bit more walkway throughout the coach. This one here has special order exterior color graphics. We have the toffee glazed maple throughout. So just a very nice, you know, it's a little bit unique coach when you walk into it. Doesn't quite have the same styling as a lot of the other ones that I've seen. Really like this one. We're going to start out up front. We've got our HWH leveling system, dual screens. This one's got 360 cameras. It's got the mobile eye. It's got the OnGuard collision mitigation. Tons of options in this coach. Over $100,000 worth of options. This one has our Lithium Ion, the 640 watt with 3K inverters, two 3K inverters. Really spectacular coach. The 360 cameras, obviously when you're driving down the road, I love driving with one camera or the 360 camera on, and then you got the rear view. That way you can see if anything's coming up on you. Then once you turn that turn signal on, it allows you to see down your coach. I just think it makes for a spectacular ride. This one is on the Freightliner chassis with the 450. Great towing power, steerable tag axle. You know, if you're hauling a trailer or a light car, you barely even know what's behind you. Turns so well in parking lots, and the maneuverability with that tag axle, that steerable tag. Not to mention the comfort drive. You know, one of those days when you've got a big heavy crosswind, you tighten that up. It just keeps you so much from getting wore out as you're driving. But then when you're going through the mountain passes and you got some back and forth, you loosen it up. It just steers like a dream. It makes your driving experience so much better. So that way when you get to where you're going, you are not going to have that tired feeling where you're just going to want to set up and go to bed. I mean, you can actually enjoy the campsite you got to and have some fun that evening. As we move back throughout the coach, amazing woodwork throughout this coach. Newmar's full wall slides are extremely sturdy. As you can see, you can't see it over there, but as you look up here, these cabinets a lot of times will have, you know, you think this should be a little bigger, but this is a you know, bracing that Newmar puts in all their slides that keeps it from flexing. It allows us or allows them to put so much cabinetry and weight in these slides because they're actually reinforced and they don't just buckle and fall apart. All your blinds on this are on the MCD, so you can come in here and put all day. We can come in, hit all night. Boom, all our slides go down. Then you can, not our slides, but our shades go down. You know, obviously then your front one is not allowed to go down without putting it down, but all of a sudden you come in, you want some privacy on a hot day like today. You want to keep as much of that solar radiation out. You know, you throw your night shades down throughout the coach and all of a sudden you got a whole different feel. This one's got your extendable extra counter space, dishwasher, Induction cooktop. The true induction, both sides there. You got your Whirlpool convection microwave with the air fry option. Tons of great options there. Double sinks. Really like the look of that sink in this coach. I think it really matches well with the wood. Central vac. We've got our control center here. You can see everything's bridged. We're plugged into to power right now. 99 state of charge. You can run your generator from here, AGS, floor heat, fan. It's a hot day here. The ACs weren't on in here when we came in here. It was close to 100, and 10 minutes we're down to 90, and you know, we'll come back and we'll check in before the video is done to see how much further down we've come, because it definitely makes a difference. You can pair to the Bluetooth app and control all your lighting here. Nice half bath. You notice how the door kind of collapses within itself. That way when your slides are in, you can still get in there. Once you close the door and you're actually in there, it gives you a lot more space. Whirlpool, fridge across, big freezer in the basement. Ice maker. Wonderful cabinetry. You can adjust these drawers too. They lock in place so that you don't hopefully ever have them come open when you're going down the road. 4369's got a king bed. You've got 2 additional wards across from the bed where you can hang additional clothing if you don't have enough in the rear. And then the drawers for all your other clothes down here. As we get back into the bathroom, the 4369, what makes it so popular is you get the huge shower, double vanity. You get the egress door over the toilet. Huge rear closet. Got your safe. You know, as we step up, we do have the step up because of the engine, but then you have your cathedral ceiling, so it doesn't feel like it's on top of you. Double vanity. Nice large medicine cabinet. And then you got your stack washer and dryer. So, you know, again, this is what Newmar is really known for. This 4369 floor plan, big shower, big closet, opposing seating, wonderful drive, tons of storage down below. The 450 engine, I mean, that's tons of power. You got 15,000 pounds worth of towing, you know, and you're still getting into all of Newmar's quality and the luxury that you get, even though this isn't a luxury coach. I mean, this is an amazing coach as you walk back through this entire flow. And then, I mean, as you come out of the bathroom, what really sells people on the Newmar is just the flow all the way from the front to the back without any choke points, nice and open. If you have guests over, you're getting ready for a tailgate, you can lay out the food out here. Say it's a hot day or a rainy day. You know, if you have those friends over and you're at the game and you don't want them back in your personal rear bath, they can all use the half bath. The ability to have the theater seats straight across from the TV with the Bose sound bar. You know, the livability of these. And then on a day like today, it's hot. And you get in here. So if you're driving somewhere, when we put these slides in, all your ducting for your AC goes right down the middle. So as you're driving with the lithium package, you can turn one of the center two ACs on, turn one of them on, either the front or the mid, and without running your generator, with your battery, just off the lithium batteries, you can run one of these ACs to cool this house down as you're driving to your campground. But all of it's ducted right down the middle, so you're not blowing your cold air on top of your slides. It's all going into the center of your coach. And then that way when you get to your location, it's already cooled down. You plug it in. On a hot day like today though, I'm probably going to kick my generator on, run all three of them, cool this thing down, so when I get there I can just relax. If I can help you out with this Dutch Star, we've still got some great Dutch Stars in. We've got a 38-foot Mountain Air, several London Airs, and Essex King Airs. If I can help you out with this unit, or if you have questions about another unit, if you have questions about another video you saw, and you have some questions, again, my name's Mark. I'd love to help you out. My phone number is 816-446-9799, 816-446-9799. You can click the link below to see the exact build sheet that this one has. You know, remember, always on the second side of the back half of the sheet is where all the options are. And I can help you with this coach or any other one. Please let me know. I'd love to help you out.